Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Trust Wallet browser for dApp connections step by step clearly. To download Trust Wallet browser for dApp connections, start by opening the App Store on your mobile device. If you are using an Android device, go to the Google Play Store. For iPhone users, navigate to the App Store. In the search bar, type Trust Wallet and tap the search button. Look for the app with the Trust Wallet logo, which features a blue shield. Once you find it, tap on the app to view its details. Next, click the Install button on Android or the Get button on iPhone. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, locate the Trust Wallet app on your home screen. Tap on the app icon to open Trust Wallet for the first time. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. If you already have a wallet, tap I already have a wallet. Provide your recovery phrase to import your existing wallet. If you're new to Trust Wallet, select Create a new wallet. Follow the prompts to set up your new wallet. After creating or importing your wallet, you will see the main dashboard. Navigate to the Browser tab at the bottom of the screen. Here, you can access various decentralized applications. To connect to a specific dApp, enter its URL in the browser. Once connected, you can begin using the dApp features. Make sure to review any permissions or security settings required. Remember to keep your wallet recovery phrase secure and private. You're now ready to explore dApps through the Trust Wallet browser. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.